Hey guys, my name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I will show you how to use a facial oil in your skincare routine. At what point facial oils come in your skincare routine, because I have seen lots of videos out there of people using their facial oils at the wrong stage in their skincare routine, if you know what I mean. So yes, I'm basically going to show you how to use your face oil, and the one I'm using is from Charlotte Tilbury and is a collagen super fusion facial oil. And to be honest, any facial oil would do it. So let me tell you what the best time to use facial oil is. When I mean the best time, like season and the skin types that would really benefit from facial oils. First of all, the skin types that would benefit from facial oils are dry and dehydrated skin. Ultimately, dry and dehydrated skin, generally, like all year round. However, if you have oily skin or normal skin and for some reason your skin is really flaky due to any reason, it could be over exfoliation, it could be harsh weather, then you can use a facial oil, a non-comedogenic facial oil. That's a facial oil that does not clog the pores, so facial oil and not baby oil and not body oil. So currently this is winter time. I am using tretinoin and I've got oily skin, but my skin lately has been drying out excessively, clearly because of the weather condition, because it's very harsh. So I've been reaching out for facial oils. But for someone with oily skin during the summertime, or when or in the tropics, you have no business with facial oils, but yes, so let's get straight into it. So this is how you want to use your facial oil. First thing you want to do is cleanse your skin with a gentle cleanser. After the cleanser, you use your moisturizer. After using your moisturizer, then you can go in with your facial oil. Your facial oil should always be the last thing you use before you use, maybe you're in the daytime, before you use your sunscreen, but at night time it should be the very last product you apply on. So this is for a very basic skincare routine where you cleanse, use your moisturizer, and then use your facial oil in the nighttime. Then in the daytime you end with SPF. So once again, cleanse your skin, use moisturizer, use your facial oil. But if you are advanced like me and I know, because if you're watching the video, you're all about skincare and all that, we have different types of serums. So when you use your facial oil is after cleansing. If you have a toner, use your toner, use your snail mucin, your serums, your hydrating serums, your treatments, all that jazz. Then use your moisturizer to lock everything in, then seal everything with your facial oil. So once again, cleanse your face thoroughly, use your toner, use your serums, use your treatment, use your moisturizer, and then use your facial oil. I hope you get all the information. So now I have done all the stuff I just mentioned. So I'm going to show you, just to clarify it a bit for you, I'm going to show you what I did. I cleansed my face with the simple gel wash. I'm going to put the link to the video for you guys to check out. Then after that, I followed up with my toner, my rebalancing toner. After the toner, I went in with my snail mucin. After the snail mucin, I went in with my tretinoin. After the tretinoin, I went in with my skin barrier moisturizer cream. After that, now this is the point where I go in with my face oil. And to be honest, you don't need a whole lot because little goes a long way. So I'm just going to use 2 drops. 2 drops is ideal, it's perfect for me. So that's the amount you want to use. Massage this, rub this together on your palm, and then gently press this all over your face like so. This, honestly, I love to do this especially at night time and when I use my tretinoin, but I stay away from this during summertime. So this is how you want to press it in you know, just gently press it in like this, and as soon as you're done pressing it in, you can even proceed to giving yourself a bit of massage because you deserve it. Then at this point, what you want to do, if it's the daytime, you want to follow up with your SPF. Do you understand? But because it's nighttime, this is where I'll end it. I hope you found this video really helpful. So please do not use your face oils like in between your skincare routine. It's a no-no, because, and secondly, it's an oil. So say you use this before you use your hydrating products, it's just basically going to seal the skin, and the other products will struggle to penetrate. They will barely penetrate, to be honest. So basically, look at your face oil as a sealant. So that's it in a nutshell. Your face oil should be a sealant. And yes, guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. And with all that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.